The Instant Lash Lift system was created to lift lashes without compromising its integrity. Every step of the system is infused with powerful, reparative, and nourishing ingredients to strengthen and moisturize the lashes from within. Lashes are transformed into healthy, lifted lashes that last 6 to 8 weeks. There are 6 core steps to an instant lash lift: cleanse, prep and protect, wrap, lift, set and tint, and condition. Always start with clean lashes. Cleansing removes any dirt, oil, or makeup that may be present on the lashes. Any impurities can create a barrier and prevent the lotions from penetrating the lashes, resulting in a poor lash lift. Our Balance Cleanser was specially formulated for lash lifts and extensions. It's tear-free and pH balanced, making it perfect for even the most sensitive clients. Start by working the cleanser throughout the lashes and eye area. Thoroughly rinse all the cleanser off with water. Prep the lashes for the ultimate lift results and prevent damage by dosing the lashes with a cocktail of powerful amino acids, antioxidants, proteins, and vitamins. Lashes will become instantly stronger and more flexible, making them easier to work with and less likely to break during the procedure. These amazing ingredients will penetrate deeper into the lashes during the lift process. Dispense a single drop of Prep and Protect onto an applicator wand. Apply it from the base to the tip of the lashes. Allow it to dry. Wrapping is one of the most important steps in achieving a flawless and beautiful lash lift. This is the process of adhering and wrapping the lashes along the curvature of the selected silicone. Our lift adhesives are specially formulated to allow the lift lotions to penetrate easily. It's infused with biotin and sodium hyaluronate to fortify, strengthen, and nourish the lashes. We offer 2 formulas: Classic and Ultra. Our Classic formula provides a medium hold that secures fine to thick lashes. Our Ultra formula provides a strong hold that secures fine to ultra-thick lashes and even the most unruly lashes. Dispense the adhesive into a product ring. Wrap the lashes onto the silicone using a microbrush coated with the adhesive. Straighten the lashes using a lash pick. Continue to wrap and straighten until all the lashes are on the silicone. Remove excess adhesive with a damp applicator. The lift lotion is the active lotion that breaks the bonds within the hair so that they can be restructured. Our lift lotion is specially formulated so it can quickly penetrate and break the disulfide bonds in the lashes. It's infused with antioxidants, as well as hydrating and moisturizing ingredients so they can penetrate deep into the lashes during the lift process. We offer 2 different lift lotions. Our original lift lotion is a thioglycolic-based lift lotion that has a processing time of 3 to 7 minutes. It's suitable for healthy lashes. We recommend using this lift lotion on fresh lashes or relifting healthy lashes. Our TGA-free lift lotion is a cysteamine hydrochloride-based lift lotion that has a processing time of 4 to 11 minutes. It's suitable for all types of lashes, especially ones that are delicate and compromised. We recommend using this lotion for relifting compromised lashes and relaxing a lift. You'll select the lift lotion that best suits your client's lashes. To use the lift lotion, massage the packet to ensure that the lotion is thoroughly mixed. Dispense the lift lotion into a product ring. Our original lift lotion is a thioglycolic-based lift lotion that has a processing time of 3 to 7 minutes. It's suitable for healthy lashes. We recommend using this lift lotion on fresh lashes or relifting healthy lashes. There are 4 sections to consider when applying the lift lotion onto the lashes: the root, apex, above apex, and the tips. When using our original lift lotion, the lotion should only be applied from the root to 1 to 2 millimeters above the apex. The lotion should not be applied to the tips of the lashes as it can cause them to become overprocessed. Apply the lift lotion quickly and evenly to ensure that the lashes process equally. Cover the lashes with lift paper to keep the lotion moist and to prevent the lashes from popping off the silicone. The original lift lotion has a processing time of 3 to 7 minutes. The processing time is a guideline only. The lashes should be checked using a bend test to determine when they're done processing. This is a fail-proof method to ensure that the lashes are fully processed. Semi-processed lashes will form a C shape when bent. Fully processed lashes will form a U shape when bent. Once the lashes are fully processed, the lotion should be removed with a dry applicator. Be careful not to wipe any lotion onto the tip of the lashes. Our TGA-free lift lotion is a cysteamine hydrochloride-based lift lotion that has a processing time of 4 to 11 minutes. It's suitable for all types of lashes, especially ones that are delicate and compromised. We recommend using this lotion for relifting compromised lashes and relaxing a lift. When using our TGA-free lift lotion, the lotion should be applied from the root to 1 to 2 millimeters above the apex first. It can then be applied to the tips of the lashes for the remaining 1 to 2 minutes to help straighten the tips of the lashes. Our TGA-free lift lotion is very gentle and will not over-process the tips of the lashes when used correctly, making it perfect for relifting compromised lashes or relaxing. Apply the lift lotion quickly and evenly to ensure that the lashes process equally. Cover the lashes with lift paper to keep the lotion moist and to prevent the lashes from popping off the silicone. The TGA-free lift lotion has a processing time of 4 to 11 minutes. The processing time is a guideline only. Apply the lift lotion onto the tips for the remaining 1 to 2 minutes. This will help straighten out any crooked tips when relifting or relaxing previously lifted lashes. Allow the lashes to process for the final 1 to 2 minutes. The lashes should be checked using a bend test to determine when they're done processing. This is a fail-proof method to ensure that the lashes are fully processed. Semi-processed lashes will form a C shape when bent. Fully processed lashes will form a U shape when bent. Once the lashes are fully processed, the lotion should be removed with a dry applicator. Traditional lash lift systems require you to set the lashes first and then tint them separately. We created an exclusive formula that allows you to set and tint the lashes in the same step. It's a 2-in-1 set lotion and tint developer. Massage the packet to ensure that the lotion is thoroughly mixed. Dispense the set and tint lotion into a product ring. Dispense an equal amount of tint color into the product ring. Mix thoroughly and apply immediately onto the lashes. Apply the set and tint mixture quickly and evenly. Ensure to cover the lashes from the base to tip. Cover the lashes with lift paper to keep the mixture moist and to prevent the lashes from popping off the silicone. The lashes should be processed for 3 to 7 minutes depending on the thickness. The lashes can be processed for an additional 2 to 3 minutes for a more vibrant tint. Once the lashes are processed for the recommended time, the mixture should be removed with a dry applicator. Use an applicator dampened with water to release the lashes from the silicone. Use a new applicator dampened with water to remove the silicone from the eyelid. Thoroughly cleanse the lashes with our balanced cleanser to remove all the active lotions from the lashes and eye area. This will not affect the lift results. To condition the lashes, we'll be using our 24-karat glaze and keratin sealant duo. Our 24-karat glaze is a luxurious serum that plumps up the lashes with a combination of antioxidants, nourishing agents, and vitamins, leaving lashes instantly healthier and softer. Our keratin sealant infuses and seals each lash fiber with keratin and moisturizing agents. Dispense a pump of the 24-keratin glaze and keratin sealant into a product ring. Apply the 24-karat glaze from the base to the tip. Allow it to dry for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, apply the keratin sealant from the base to tip. Allow it to dry. Brush and style the lashes as desired. Our instant lash lift system will result in beautiful and healthy lifted lashes.